Hi, I'm April Stafford, your Community Manager here at Tax Talent, and I just wanted to introduce myself and let you know that you're going to be hearing from me here on the forum from time to time regarding special announcements and updates as we go forward. For example, I'm excited to let you know that we're currently working on some new features for the Job Agent and the Job Seeker Toolkit and your actual homepage forum. And I'll announce those as we relaunch them. I also wanted to encourage you, if you haven't done so already, go now to your top Q&A of your specific phase and check out that section. That's very valuable information we don't want you to miss out on. Also, I want to personally challenge each of you to post one career question between now and throughout the month of February to the forum. Something you've been thinking about that you'd like some feedback on. We want you to put us to the test. Take advantage of this free and confidential source of information where you're going to get real-time feedback from our expert coaches as well as other experienced tax professionals. If you honestly don't have one single question, we do hope you will use your experience and knowledge to pay it forward and maybe leave a comment or some advice on another question or topic posted there on the forum. I want to let you know also we really do want your feedback, so I hope that you will contact me with any issues, questions, or comments you have regarding the site. And I am looking forward to building and growing our community together as we go forward, and I wish each and every one of you the best of luck in your tax career. I'll talk to you again soon. Bye-bye.